Hello, and welcome to the episode 2 of our camping adventures. If you missed the first part of our trip in Chiricahua, Carlsbad, and White Sands National Park, you missed some of the best dispersed camping we've found yet. But today is all about the giants. Saguaro National Park. Okay, we're entering Saguaro Road. It's not Saguaro, Saguaro. So you can drive a 45-minute drive around the loop. So there's a lookout in each area. So it's kind of 97 degrees Fahrenheit right now.
What?
Saguaro. It sounds, it's letter G, Saguaro.
They don't pronounce the G, they just say Saguaro.
Saguaro, right?
Yeah.
Saguaro.
Like they have some places it looks like they maybe reap, I'm not sure.
First stop. Okay, woo! It's cold. The first lookout is the Sonoran Desert.
300 days of sunlight. That's like the Philippines.
Yeah, right now it's really hot right now. You guys, I learned the hard way that you do not mess with these fan-shaped cacti. I got a little too close and ended up with a bunch of glow kids in my skin. Ouch! Look at this one. This is interesting.
This guy.
Yeah.
Purple.
It looks like a...
You
Ooh!
Looks like you can eat
It's
it.
also a cactus. It has spikes on it. That's dangerous. Ooh, that's deadly. Ooh, oh, this one, baby, it's a fruit, oh, flower. Wow. The predator. Look at that. Look at this proud one. Oh, it's like mother and daughter cactus. One proud cactus. Desert Ecology Trail. It's a point. How many miles here? Just
0.3.
0.3 miles. It's
I
very
like
short. Short hike in the middle of the cactus. Nice flowers. Do you think it smells good?
I think it smells armpit.
Armpits. Proud and tall.
First it starts out as a pineapple.
So many children. A bed of cacti. Imagine you're in a Walking Dead and you have to run here away from the zombies. You're dead. After a long day of hiking among the saguaros, we had a little extra energy to burn, so we headed straight into downtown Tuczon to hit rocks and ropes.
Hey, what's going on?
I'm good. This is my first time in my dream to do wall climbing. And tomorrow you'll have rock climbing, right? That's a good experience for beginners. So this is size 5.5. So my feet is a little bit small. But my height is just fine. Oh, you'll have a dwarf. Oh, you can. Alright. After a quick hour-long intro lesson, they cut us loose to climb on our own. I've got to be honest, stepping up to the wall with my husband on belay duty, I was definitely a little bit nervous. I kept thinking, alright, please don't let me fall, but it's actually a huge trust exercise. It's pretty funny how fast you go from hiking desert trails in the heat to hanging 30 feet up on a wall in a downtown Tucson. Have you ever gone wall climbing with your partner? Let me know in the comments. Are you the nervous climber or the "don't worry, I've got ya" belayer? Hi, good morning. Welcome from Arizona. So yesterday we had a wall climbing, and today our activity will be some hiking plus rock climbing as well. So I do some, it's like a warm-up, nice. So it's a nice experience to do some wall climbing yesterday. So it really challenged your grip and your forearm to really burn, but it's so fun. So today we are here in an Airbnb, and you know how much it costs just for a night? It's $30. Yeah, and then they have complete amenities, coffee, everything that you need. It's like so amazing. And
So I think this is our 5th day of road trip and camping. It's really fun, really fun. So at the same time, you have to prepare yourself mentally, physically, especially if you for a Filipino like me, growing up in a province, doing things in province. So it's not hard, especially living in a car. And our toilet, of course, somewhere around the forest where the tall grasses are. No, I'm kidding. We have a portable toilet as well. So a good thing, if you need emergency, you just go to the toilet. There's a lot of toilets in the park, so it helps as well. You're asking what do we eat? So we have, of course, canned goods, healthy canned goods as well, like tuna, sardines, kind of smelly, so I ditch the sardines, and some nuts. And of course, we often eat like Chipotle and Subway, so that we're not feeling guilty when eating our food while traveling. So we're still eating healthy food as well. So of course, we also have cold baon. Baon is cold snacks. We have pistachios, fruits, kiwi, blueberries, and cherries. Those are fruits that doesn't spoil. Right now in Arizona, the weather is kind of hot, and it's not humid, but it's really dry. I can really feel my skin is really dry. So yeah, just putting alone the sunscreen is not enough. You have to put some lotion as well, because my hands are really dry right now. Even my face, the oil is gone. It's like it went back to normal due to dry season.
Okay, fuel time here in Costco gas station. So we are a member of Costco, so we get a discount and gas is cheaper compared to other normal gas station. Welcome to Picacho Peak State Park. The kick riders pass. See.
We've officially arrived at Picacho Peak State Park. Now, a quick heads up for anyone following our road trip. Unlike the national parks, this is a state park. So our America the Beautiful Pass doesn't apply here. It's a $10 per person to enter.
Okay, here we go. So time check, it's almost 10 a.m. So you need to bring a lot of water because you're climbing the peak and it's really hot right now. It's summer. So, hello?
I'm good at.
Yeah. You have to make sure you have plenty of water with you.
So here's the thing about hiking in the desert near summer. The sun is no joke. We stopped for a relaxed breakfast at McDonald's and didn't hit the trailhead at Picacho Peak until around 10 a.m. Honestly, if I could go back and change one thing, I would have been on this trail by 6 a.m. tops. By the time we were out here, the heat was already cranking up. And it really changes the whole vibe of the hike. My biggest piece of advice for you guys, skip the leisurely morning and get an early start. Aim to be off the mountain by 9:30 or 10 a.m. if you can. Your body and your water supply will definitely thank you for it.
We found some squirrel here. Come on, baby. Do you want some food?
Snack.
You want some snack? Oh, he wants some snack. Okay. He's eating the banana that I gave her. Come on. Such a cute kitty.
Oh, that smell.
Okay, you see those signs, so you just follow that. Bye-bye, squirrel. All right. We're still not on the top.
Oh, is that way?
Yes, you see it.
Yep.
Oh, this is my favorite area. We're covered with huge boulder rock here because there is a shelter. Climbing is not hard. The only challenge to climb hard is the weather. But if it's windy like this, it's good. This is a fun way of hiking rather than hiking it full of trees. I don't see anything. You just always feel like you're suffering. This one with a good view like this. Awesome. What's your heart rate?
128.
128? Wow. That one going up there. Whew. Just don't look down when you're climbing. Oh, look at that. Wow. We're so close to the edge. Ooh. We're going there. Next ascent over there. Okay, look at that. Just right on the cliff. Ah, Superman. We are on top of Picacho Peak here in Arizona. In the afternoon, the only enemy here is the heat. But the wind helps, mitigates the heat. Nice to have shoes that's flat, like Samba shoes. It will help you climb up the peak. Let's take some photos. All right, Arizona. Woohoo! The greatest hiker of all time, Roger Imoto.
What to become the greatest snacker of all time.
We're on the road to Phoenix now, and I think we've officially encountered the longest train in history. There is something about the scale of the landscape out here that makes everything look so small. But these freight trains are absolutely massive. It's just one of those classic mesmerizing sights you only really see on these long desert drives. Okay, we're now in Phoenix, Arizona, and we're staying in this house for tonight. Good morning. You see those triangle signs on the road? It's for carpooling lane, or if you have in a car, you are more than 2 people. So if you're just a driver, you're not allowed to go on this lane. So it's nice. You'll get a $400 fine if you violate it. And then we're heading to Planet Fitness today. We will just drive to Sedona later, so that we're not in a hurry today. Wow, we're finally driving into Sedona, and I have to give you my hot take. I'm officially obsessed with these red rocks. I've never seen anything this vibrant before. There's something about the way they've carved out that just amazes me. It feels like we're driven into another planet. Seriously, if you haven't seen this in person, add it to your list immediately. Hey, we are now in Sedona, Arizona. So we are in the middle of the afternoon. There's some trail going on it's called the Golden Top Pancake. Right over there. I call it a pancake, or like a lid with a color of red color, like iron or made of iron or copper. Where did you get those information?
What's that?
Hey.
Hey.
Hi.
Hello.
Mine are brand new.
You wipe it off using the toilet.
No, I just dodged all of the dust.
With a huge red pancake with a crown.
No.
Cocoa. So just remember the coconut.
Coconino.
Coconino.
Bell Rock Farm.
So here in Arizona, most tourist spot is like open, more on nature, rock climbing, or like nature hiking, trekking, more on outside. See, the king behind it is a pancake. The king of pancake.
1, 2, 3.
Look at that wonderful path. It's beautiful. Whoop. Oh, so red. Yeah, it's so nice. With the blue sky. Oh yeah, just pure blue sky. How can we come up? How can we ascend? Look at those. I think this is not, it should be on the right side, do you think?
I'm not going all the way back there.
Yeah.
Like it's shaped like a bell now.
Yeah,
It's Blaze House.
Bell Rock. We wanna climb there, but my shoes, I'm wrong, I wore wrong shoes. Okay. That's the Bell Rock. The huge rock. Going down. We're going down. It's not up. It's nice up there. And the beautiful Rocky Mountains of Arizona. Look at this beautiful rocks formation. Now in the Chapel of the Cross, and going in the chapel, you see this beautiful red rock, surrounding the chapel. And the chapel is right up there. So there is a mass at 3 p.m. for Catholics.
For the sick.
It's hard to find parking, so my husband just dropped me off, and we're just going to find some parking, and then he'll go up. Look how beautiful the Sedona downtown. Surrounded with huge red boulder rock. Them, no jackets, just sleeveless shorts.
It's summer.
Yeah.
Hot, cold.
Nay, for Filipina. Nay. Ain't that happening to Filipina? Not only Filipino, even Asians, Chinese, Koreans. I see them with their cover day. It's such a good dinner. Yum.
After a great dinner, we drove through these incredible red rock views on our way to find a spot for the night. The landscape just keeps getting better, and it really feels like driving through a postcard. One of the best investments we've made for this trip is the America the Beautiful Pass. It costs $80, and it gives us access to every national park and federal recreation site in the US for an entire year. If you're planning to visit more than 2 or 3 parks on your road trip, it practically pays for itself. It's been a total game changer for our travel budget. We get asked all the time how we picked our camp spots, and the secret is just the iOverlander app. For tonight, it led us to this perfect little spot in the Red Rock Secret Mountain Wilderness, part of the Coconino National Forest. Just look at the backdrop in this photo. Being able to wake up to the views like this is exactly why we love car camping in Sedona.
Right, so camping time. So we sleep again in the car tonight. So we need to be early tomorrow at the Devil's Bridge, because I've heard there's so many tourists going in there to take pictures, and it will take you an hour just to be in a line.
A quick heads up for those of you planning your own road trips. Assume you'll have no cell service once you hit these remote camp spots. Between the remote locations and the way these red rocks act like natural signal blockers, you're basically off the grid, and we always make sure to download our offline maps. This spot is super close to Devil's Bridge trailhead, so we're planning to get there really early tomorrow morning to beat the crowds. It's such a popular spot for tourists that the lines to get onto the bridge can get pretty intense later in that day.
Oh, there's a cart! Shopping cart! So someone go shopping and put the cart in there.